All right, Kevin Hilbert, 15-year-old, starting for Waterhouse Football Club. How does that feel?
Feel great as a juvenile.
As a juvenile. But definitely, the team won today. How does that feel to contribute to that to the team victory?
It's a great. Push me more, rise me more too. A great experience too.
So with a top keeper in front of you like Kemar Foster, what have you learned from him so far since you have been at the club?
Enough. He told me say to be brave up my goal.
Yeah, definitely. So are we going to see more of you at Waterhouse? Will be fighting Kemar Foster for the first team spot?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. All right, and well done here. People who have here, Kevin Hilbert, 15-year-old keeping for Waterhouse. Well done here. Well done. Big up.